So, you want to fix electronics at home, but you're staring at a tangled mess of wires, screws, and a screwdriver from 1998? Let's simplify things. Here are the essential tools you actually need to start repairing electronics at home. No clutter, no fluff. First up, the precision screwdriver set. Regular screwdrivers are too big for most devices. A precision set includes tiny heads like Phillips No. or Torx T5, perfect for phones, laptops, or anything with annoyingly small screws. Next, a plastic spudger or pry tool. You'll use this to gently open cases without cracking the shell or scratching screens. Using a metal knife is how you end up with a learning experience. Use plastic. Thank us later. Tool number 3, anti-static tweezers. Because your fingers are too big, too oily, and too clumsy for delicate electronics. Tweezers let you grab connectors, resistors, and tiny wires like a pro. Let's talk multimeter. This device is your electronic lie detector. It tells you if voltage is flowing, if a fuse is blown, or if your battery is officially toast. Don't worry, it sounds fancy, but beginner models are super easy to use. Next must have a soldering iron. If you're doing basic circuit board repairs or reconnecting wires, you'll need to solder. Go for a basic 60-watt adjustable iron with a fine tip. Bonus points for one with a stand. It's hot metal after all. Along with that, grab some lead-free solder wire and flux paste. Flux helps the solder stick cleanly and keeps your work looking sharp, not like you microwaved spaghetti on a circuit board. Also helpful, isopropyl alcohol and cotton swabs. Sticky buttons, gummy ports, grimy boards. This is how you clean electronics safely. Just make sure it's 90% or higher. Last but not least, a magnetic parts tray. Unless you like dropping microscopic screws into the void under your desk, this tray is your new best friend. It holds screws, components, and your patience in one place. Let's recap. Precision screwdriver set, spudger or pry tools, anti-static tweezers, multimeter soldering iron plus solder plus flux, isopropyl, alcohol and swabs, magnetic tray. These tools will cover 90% of home electronic repairs, from replacing a battery to fixing a fried USB port. No need for a workbench from NASA, just the right tools, a steady hand, and maybe a little coffee. Want to see how these tools work in action? Subscribe for weekly explainer videos that make tech repairs simple and way less scary. See you in the next fix.